Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week's featured blend is the last in the series of our new teas that we released this year. Organic Thyroid Health is a mild herbal blend with 6 ingredients to support optimal thyroid function. Organic ashwagandha, a popular herb in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, has adaptogenic properties that can help regulate thyroid function by supporting the body's stress response and reducing cortisol levels. Additionally, ashwagandha's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland. Organic ginger root adds a spiced flavor to this blend, along with similar benefits to ashwagandha. The anti-inflammatory properties in ginger root can help reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland, which is important to maintaining proper thyroid function. Additionally, ginger's antioxidant content may help contribute to protecting thyroid cells from oxidative stress. Organic gotu kola, commonly known as either Indian or Asiatic pennywort, is an herbaceous perennial plant in the flowering plant family. This plant has adaptogenic properties similar to ashwagandha that can help regulate thyroid function and balance hormone levels. Gotu kola's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects also contribute to reducing oxidative stress. Organic holy basil, also known as tulsi, is another herb that's been commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. This herb is also adaptogenic and helps to support hormone balance, reduce stress, and soothe inflammation. Organic lemon balm is a member of the mint family and is known for its calming effects to combat the stress hormones that are often the cause of thyroid issues. Lemon balm is also high in antioxidants to help reduce inflammation. Organic nettle, a nutrient-dense herb, is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for thyroid health. Additionally, nettle is great to help support the immune system, which can be compromised in some cases of poor thyroid health. Let's make a fun recipe using Organic Thyroid Health. This is ginger peach lemonade. Start by steeping your tea leaves in about 6 ounces of nearly boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow this to cool slightly. Fill a glass with ice, add 2 ounces of peach juice, 6 ounces of lemonade, and then top with your cooled tea. Give this a stir, garnish with a lemon wedge if desired, and enjoy this summery beverage full of benefits. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. I hope you enjoyed learning about Organic Thyroid Health Tea, and you can check out all the links in the description below. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.